It's cold. Yesterday was the first time it froze overnight, and I complained last week that it was getting too cold and I had to get out of here, and it's even colder now, but at least we got sunshine. So hey everyone, Sophia here from my great challenge in a ridiculous getup, and quite frankly I don't care. I am working outside finishing the garage doors today. I have one door to paint for the first coat, and then I have to do 2 coats on both doors and then put the seal at the bottom. That's what I'm doing. It's 42 degrees. It's supposed to go all the way up to 48, so I'm right in the bracket. It can't go lower than 35. It needs to be done by 4 p.m. It's noon. Thank you, Scott. Ow, you hit your head.
Yeah.
He hit his head. And he hit my glasses. So here's Scott. He's going to Home Depot to get the new seals. They're available at the Home Depot in Bloomfield. They have 15 in stock. You got the picture.
They clap.
Huh?
They clap.
Yeah, just clapping seals. Okay, you got that. Here we go, 2 coats on both doors. Unfortunately, I have the shadow of that part of the house on it, so you can't really see it, but yeah, I have 2 doors, nice and white. It looks really neat in person, I gotta be honest. I just finished the second one over here. This one is still drying, but you can see it looks almost, I'm not gonna say brand new, but it looks like it's not as old as they used to be. So I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit. I'm going to do the windows probably last because I need everything to dry. I'm gonna take a break, and when I come back I'm going to use the spray and grease all of the mechanics, and then I'll install the new seal. And we finally got the one we needed. It's this one here, garage door bottom seal, but this one comes out as a foam. It's not a rubber, so it's not as good as the other one. So I don't know how long it will last, but you know what? It's better than no seal. So that's the only one they had still available, but here they are. Almost brand spanking new. Scott is starting to pick up leaves for me. This is garage door Pro Lube. You would think I'd come with a little whatever you call it, straw thing, but nope. Synthetic spray lubricant, convenient to use, do not run or drip, which is good because when you put it on top, you know, it's gonna end up dripping on all the stuff I got in here. We don't want none of that. Perfect synthetic anti-rust lubricant, does not contain harmful solvent. I'd like to know, it's flammable. I'd like to know what it's made of. It doesn't say, which is troublesome. What are the ingredients? Vapor, Dakine, homopolymer, hydrogenated, propane, butane. Ooh. Sounds like the other guy. What's the name of it? You know which one I'm talking about, right? I believe you got to tear off the tap. Okay. Do that. Alright. Wait a minute. There was a little straw. What did I do with it? Can you see that? There was a little thing in here. That's the straw. I kind of figured. There's no way there's no straw. Is it a straw? It's gotta be. Why would you not have a straw? Yeah, Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here. And definitely over the gears. Another one here. I'm pretty much doing all of them. Where's my brush? I think it behooves me to brush stuff, right? Okay, so that goes in here. Okay. All right. So I'm basically going to do that on all the gears. Okay, so here's the seal. Which way, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so you put it this way and you nail it from the underside here. And they give you nails, so about screws I won't need them. So the first thing I need to do is cut it to size. The noise, I got Scott mowing the lawn. Okay, so I'm scraping all the paint from the previous job that wasn't mine, plus my paint, so that I can wash the windows and have them look really nice. I gotta tell you, those windows are actually dirtier on the inside than they are on the outside. Go figure. They really are gross, super gross. On this side, but I'm not seeing a lot of paint. And it's done. I don't think this video was more than 10 minutes. But anyway, it's done. I'm finished. There's 2 coats of paint. The seal at the bottom is done. The windows are clean. And I'm not going to say they look brand new again, but they sure do look much better. So this is what the seal looks like. Just lost my phone. So this is what the seal looks like at the bottom. Let me show you on the other one, and I did the same system underneath it. I think they make less noise than before, where I staggered the nails. So you see this lip, right, that goes in the front. I don't know why I call it a lip, but anyway. And when you close, it goes flat on the ground, so no water or critters get into the garage. So it's perfectly sealed. It is freezing. It's got to be 39, 40 degrees now. So yeah, I mean, you can't see it. Let's go a little bit further so you can see it from pretty much the street. My street is much further, you know that. So it looks brand new. From far away, looks nice, clean, crisp. Scott just finished this. We raked quite a bit of leaves, and we had our first frost yesterday, as I mentioned, so it looks like it's time to remove these guys. We mowed the lawn, we removed all the leaves that were there, most of the ones that were on the trench, and then all those little stains you see here are actually leaf prints from the leaves that were there before. So the next rain it'll go away, but this is what it looks like, and I'm pretty happy. It does match the siding. It looks really good. I am really cold. I'm going inside. I'm gonna make myself a soup. It's almost 5 o'clock, almost.
No, probably
4 o'clock. Tomorrow we change time. It's Halloween. We're not doing it. There's barely anybody doing it right now, actually, to be honest. We saw maybe 3 kids pass by. That's about it. So no Halloween this year because of COVID. It's all right. It teaches the kids resilience, and sometimes you got to sacrifice for the better good. Give me a thumbs up if you like the garage doors. I finally did it. It wasn't bad. It's just the weather was horrible. I was cold the entire time. So it's time for tea for me. Guys, I will see you in the next video. It's probably going to be me coloring my hair. Just saying, you know, because tomorrow I don't plan on being outside. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey, it's me. And guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.